Talk number 1. Unity makes us stronger. Even though most of us have our own job, a specific task we are assigned to, we don't work completely alone. During the 8 hours we spend at the plant, there are many times when we must rely on each other. No matter what our task is, it is always part of a team effort. It may sound strange to say, we all must work together. But it's true. What I mean is, always try to work with others in mind. For example, if you're doing your task and see a co-worker lifting something too heavy, offer help, unless you're doing something urgent that you can't stop. Now I want some of you to think of ways we can help each other during the day. The supervisor encourages workers to give examples, and thanks them sincerely. The examples you gave are very valuable. Let's try to use them when we can. Now let's talk about other specific situations. Think about tool maintenance. Usually, when we borrow a tool from the tool room or from a coworker, we return it right after we finish using it. But if the tool breaks, because of bad luck or misuse, do we admit it and report it? If we don't, the next person may get hurt. I know that many of you, when you see a lit cigarette on the floor, whether in the shop, the lunchroom, or the bathroom, you step on it to put it out. You understand how dangerous a fire can be. But sometimes, someone sees a burning cigarette and says nothing, just because they didn't drop it. That's not teamwork. One of the best ways to work as a team is to keep our work area clean and organized. Think about how hard it is for the next shift if they find tools scattered, materials on the floor, or trash everywhere. They will lose time cleaning up your mess. Let's look at this from a different angle. Imagine you need help right away. You shout, "Pass me that hammer." Your co-worker comes to help. But if your area is messy, they will spend 5 minutes looking for the hammer, and by then, it's too late. You get upset, they get upset, nothing gets solved. Working as a team means knowing our job is a link in the plant's production chain. Our task is connected to the tasks of our co-workers. We must help each other whenever needed. Like in any human activity, remember this always. Unity makes us stronger.